everyone! I am mag-bake tayo bread. It's already nighttime here. Ang aking mga kasamahan sa bahay ay nasa bedroom nanonood ng TV. So, ito yung aking filling, butter. Then, lagyan ko ng flour. Kunti-kunti lang kasi hindi ko na ito ni-measure. Basta alam ko na kung ano yung ilalagay ko dito. Hindi naman ako nagbebenta. So, kami lang naman kakain. Pero, benta ako ng Spanish bread. Sino bibili? Para may kita naman tayo. Tapos na ito, ready na to siya. Ito na ang ating dough. First time kong gawin itong butter. Sana okay siya. One. Ayan. Tapos dito ko siya ilagay sa my oven. Ayan. Tapos mag-bake na ako ng 350. While waiting, maglilinis ako and mag-i-edit ng video para hindi na siya gaano ka taas mamaya. An hour later. Check natin. My goodness, look at that. So, it has doubled in size. I'm going to bake it in the oven. The girls cannot wait to eat it. They've been coming and checking on it, but I said it's not ready yet. So now is the time. Wow, look at that. It's so pretty.
If you're ready and you want it, you can have a bite.
Ito na siya. Ang sarap. It smells so good. May let's try the small one. So good. Which one do you want?
I want that one.
Okay. Wow, she picked the biggest one of all. Oops, that is getting up. What? Show me what you got. Oh, oh my goodness. So
So good. Yay, yay. Choo-choo.
it is so yummy and soft.
Can I have more? Yummy.